Agile principle number 2 is often a shift for those who have managed or worked in a more traditional project management environment. It deals with the aspect of change. Though commonly feared or actively managed against in most projects, change is actively sought out in an Agile project. The second principle is this: welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness changes to the customer's competitive advantage. It states quite clearly and without hesitation that the aspect of change is not shied away from. Not only is it okay, but it's welcome, even after a lot of work has been done. Change should be met with a smile, not a groan. This is unheard of in other projects, but it is part of the life of an Agile project. Imagine working on a traditional project, and 80% of the way through, project changes are still being made, some of which are dramatic. You're probably cringing and reliving some terrible memories. I have also suffered through project shifts late in a project. Change management is difficult and tedious in traditional project management, usually for good reason. You cannot dig up a street and a neighborhood park to bury a sewer pipe only to change where you want the pipe to be, dig somewhere else, then decide, no, that's not a good place, let's try over there by the freeway. It doesn't work. Traditional change management is bureaucratic to force the justification for change to be thorough and leave a paper trail. Agile project change management is also disciplined. Change doesn't just happen without any thought. Sometimes it will, but I would only do that during times where experimentation and complete uncertainty are present. For the most part, change management in Agile projects are done in a manner where they can be approved and pushed forward with less formality and bureaucracy. This happens because of the tight nature of the dialogue that occurs between the project team and product owners and customers. With the voice of the customer tightly involved, they can see the project's progress and understand its advancement and provide valid input for change more meaningfully. By incorporating the right changes throughout the project, it ensures the best product gets into the hands of the customers. Changes may or may not happen on a daily basis, but it is not as much about the frequency of changes as it is about the ability of an Agile project to adjust appropriately. Being nimble and flexible are evident benefits to Agile project management.